Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, I'm Shanice and welcome to my channel. So for this week's nail tutorial, it's going to be this cool candy cane peppermint nail design that I thought of, and it's going to be a lot of glitter this week for this nail tutorial. Wasn't meaning to be, but it just happened to be. So if you like glitter and if you like candy canes for this Christmas, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you just like my nail tutorials, go and subscribe anyways, and go ahead and hit that like button if you like all that, and also share this to anyone who wants to recreate these or try them, or just want to show them these cool candy cane peppermint nails that I did this week. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So let's get started with this video. So to begin this nail tutorial, I begin with applying my translucent pink on the middle finger, wedding finger, and thumb, and to give that nice hue look to it. And then I applied 2 coats of white on the pinky and the index finger, the full nail. And then on the middle finger, wedding finger, and thumb, I applied first LA Colors Color Last Opal White on top of those, just one good coat. And then after that dries a little bit, I applied LA Colors Color Craze Cocktail on top of that, a good coat on top of that nice beautiful rose goldy color glitter that I applied on top of those as well. And then on the index finger and pinky, I chose to do, first, as you'll see here, I chose to do like, I was going to try to do like an ombre out of glitter, but as you'll see further into the video, that I changed it to just be like a French tip with the glitter at the bottom. So I first applied Pure Ice Hit the Floor, this lovely glitter red, on the bottom of the cuticle area up towards like the middle of the nail. You can just stop there and have that nice red, deep glitter red, as I should have stopped, but I wanted to go on more. So I took Salon Perfect, this nice gold red glitter called Rose Gold Digger. So I applied that on top of that Hit the Floor red glitter on the pinky and index finger. Then once that kind of dried a little bit, I then applied on top of that, this is all just one coat, I applied Pure Ice Limited Edition Peppermint Sticks glitter, red and white glitter nail polish on top of that. As I said earlier, I was going to do this like ombre fade out the glitter into the white, but I decided it didn't really work out and didn't look good anymore. So then I just blocked off in the section to make a French tip with the white, and so I did that. Then next on the wedding finger, and thumb, I applied LA Colors Color Last Captive Red onto those nails as a French tip, rounded French tip onto those nails. And then after I got done with that, I applied Pure Ice, hit the floor on top of Captive. And then I want to section off to make it more. So I used Pure Ice Goldie Locks Gold and applied it to section off the red chunk of glitter down there and the white to section it off to straighten up the white line. And also then I applied another gold line above that. Now back onto the middle finger, wedding finger, and thumb. This is where the peppermint vibe comes to life in this nail tutorial. Now the red section is dry, just about. So I'm going to take Pure Ice Super White and apply it in a peppermint, like a thin line, then a thicker line, a thin line, then a thicker line on the red section of those nails. So then the nails should be done of what I've done this week, and I finished it off and sealed it all up with my favorite top coat of choice. And if you've been here, you know this already, but it's my favorite Pro Effects Quick Dry High Gloss top coat, and I applied it on every nail. And just a little tip, you want to make sure it's dry a little bit so when you put the top coat, the colors won't fade into each other. Yeah, duh. But also when you get the paint onto the brush, to make sure you have enough where you can just glide it on so the paint really won't smear and have the white and the red, or the red into the white. I hate that. As well, to help this, make sure you only glide over it, that section of that part of that nail, only once. So yeah, that's a little tip. So this is my peppermint candy cane nails for you guys that I did this week. I hope you like them. So you guys, how did you like this nail tutorial this week? It was a lot of glitter this week, sorry, but I think it still came out pretty good and looked pretty good. So if you didn't before, at the beginning of my video, go down below and right now subscribe to my YouTube channel down below so you can see other videos and nail tutorials that I do. And I got at least one more Christmas nail tutorial and then a New Year's Christmas nail tutorial coming up for you guys. So if you want to enjoy that, go ahead down below and subscribe, because next week's gonna be a really easy one, last minute nail tutorial. If you want to do that, you can do it for Christmas. So yeah, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that great notification bell so you won't miss it. And then also go ahead and give me a like if you like these candy cane Christmas peppermint nails that I did for you guys this week. Go ahead and like this video, and if you like this video, if you like glitter, because it was a lot of it. Also share this video so others can see what I did this week for my nail tutorial. And thank you so much for watching and making it this far in this video. At the end, it will be some other videos that I did beforehand, and you can go ahead and check that out if you're not ready to leave my channel. So go ahead and check those out, and also in the description box you'll see everything that I used for this nail tutorial and other videos that you can cherish and look at. It's always in the description box, so go ahead and check that out as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I see you next week with an easy Christmas nail tutorial with some little nail art. So get ready for that. Bye!